Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. So in this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of GBPJPY, and we will also share our trading ideas of GBPJPY for intraday trading. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. First of all, we will look at the one time frame. On the one time frame, market is making a support here. Now we will move on H4 time frame and see what's going on here. Okay, so I think this area worked already. This area should be almost here. This was the resistance, this was the resistance, this was the support. Market break this support, again move up, make this this was yeah, fine. This market make this level support again and their support again. I think this will be a key level. So if we look on here, we have a demand area. This candle will consider as a demand. I think we should remove this level and look, see what's going on H1 time frame. We will use our recently fresh areas. Okay, so this is the support also. This is the support level, and we draw demand level in H4 time frame, and this area. Yeah, so this is the resistance level. We have another resistance level here. Okay, so basically we look on H4 time frame. We had a moving average at here which indicate us that market will go down. So I think this was at 154.88 and now market is at 154.71, almost 17 pips late. If we come here before some time, then we will definitely open a sell trade when this candle close. But now we are late, so that's not problem. So now basically we are looking for a buy trade in this demand area. If market come in this demand, then and if we look any buy candle, bullish candle, then we will open a buy trade and we will move upward to this level. And if market break this level, then there's a high probability chance that market will fill this range. So this range is almost a 28 pips range. You can get easily 10 to 15 pips easily. So I think that will be a breakout trade, and mostly breakout trades are giving us almost 1 risk reward, and that will mostly 10 to 15 pips. So basically you can get 10 to 15 pips in this range easily, and otherwise there's no trade in this range. If market come in this demand area, then basically we will open a buy trade and we should move on. So these are the trading ideas of GBPJPY for intraday trading. So yeah, that's fine. And if you are looking for best forex broker, then you can join our broker. The link of our recommended broker given in the description box. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in forex groups. I hope you like this video, and in this channel we upload daily live forex analysis, and we share our trading ideas of gold, GBPUSD and GBPJPY for intraday trading. See you in next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.